down here at Seton Lake Campground, and I came across this van. It's a tradesman Dodge. I think it's a 1974, and I'm just gonna do a van tour. And the lady that is in this van, her name is Where's Wendy?
Hello.
Hi, Where's Wendy? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
So,
happy to be here.
So are you a full-time van dweller?
No, not yet. Working toward it. Got my house up for sale in another week or so.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
And so what brings you down here?
Oh, just a good getaway this time of year. Not too busy.
Yeah,
And get to meet the people I've been following on YouTube.
Yeah, it's
which
fantastic.
Which is a real privilege.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, the sun's coming out. I know we had some rain. And so would you mind if we did a tour?
Not at all.
Oh,
okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah. This is my baby. Her name is Liberty.
Oh, you named her. That's fantastic.
Oh, yeah. I've had her for almost a year.
Oh.
But I haven't been out in it much because I've been trying to get it roadworthy. So it's almost there.
Okay.
Still a few more things to work out.
So would it be okay if we went inside for a little bit of a tour?
Yeah.
It's a nice blanket you have there. Yeah, Wendy has a high top, which is nice. And she's got storage up above here. And I see that you have a stove here and an oven, which is really nice.
I have a furnace and the fridge
Yeah.
and a max.
So you have a nice blackboard here you can write messages on, hey?
My bum has mostly erased everything.
Oh. Yeah, that's really nice actually, and you got one there too.
Got those flowers on the highway at Cache Creek.
Yeah, they're nice.
Oh,
I see you got one of Chrome's stickers here, eh?
A few of them, yes.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, it's nice to have all that storage up there. I see that you have.
Did you get my awning?
Wendy has a nice awning, and she deliberately put it on the angle because we got quite a bit of rain last night, and then it just tilts right off. Well, Wendy, it was really nice meeting you.
That's my pleasure.
Maybe we'll, have a cup of coffee or tea later on together.
You betcha.
And you enjoy your trip, traveling around.